Welcome back to the channel, y'all, where we share garden inspiration and helpful tips. Today I've got 15 brilliant gardening hacks for you that will blow your mind and save you time, money, and stress in the garden. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, banana peel fertilizer. Don't toss those banana peels. They're actually a great source of potassium and phosphorus, which is essential for flowering and fruiting. Simply chop them up and bury them around your plants. Your plants will love it. Hack number 2, coffee grounds for acid lovers. Coffee grounds are high in nitrogen, which is perfect for acid-loving plants like roses, azaleas, and blueberries. Sprinkle used coffee grounds around the base of these plants to boost their growth. Hack number 3, eggshell seed starters. This one's a game changer. Crack your eggs carefully and use the shells as mini biodegradable seed pots. When it's time to transplant, simply plant the whole thing. The eggshell will break down over time and provide your seedlings with a little extra calcium. Hack number 4, DIY drip watering system. Create your own drip watering system by poking holes in an old plastic bottle, burying it next to your plant and filling it with water. It'll slowly hydrate the roots over time. Hack number 5, cinnamon to the rescue. Sprinkle cinnamon on your seedlings to prevent mold and fungus. It's a natural antifungal agent and smells great too. Hack number 6, fork defense. Keep those pesky cats and critters out of your garden beds by sticking plastic forks in the soil with the tines up. It may look weird, but it works. Hack number 7, Epsom salt boost. Mix a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it once a month to water your plants. Peppers and tomatoes will love it and grow stronger and fuller. Hack number 8, milk jug mini greenhouses. Milk cartons are handy for starting seeds and also make great mini greenhouses. Just cut the bottom off the jug, place it over your seedlings and secure it with some rocks or soil. It will protect them from cold nights and unexpected frost. Hack number 9, watering with cooking water. After boiling veggies or pasta, let the water cool and use it to water your plants. It's full of nutrients. Hack number 10, newspaper weed barrier. To block weeds and retain moisture in your garden beds, lay down wet newspaper under your mulch. It breaks down naturally over time. Hack number 11, shoebox organizer for seeds. Keep your seed packets tidy by storing them in a labeled shoebox or old photo organizer. You can easily sort them by type and size. Hack number 12, toothpick labels. Stuck without plant labels? Use toothpicks and tape to make tiny signs for your seedlings. Hack number 13, vinegar weed killer. Vinegar is a great natural weed killer. Just spray white vinegar on driveway or sidewalk weeds. But be careful. It will kill any plant it touches. So use it wisely. Hack number 14, ice cube watering. Give your houseplants a slow release water by popping a couple of ice cubes into the pot. This method is especially great for orchids. Hack number 15, save your seeds. At the end of the season, collect seeds from your healthiest plants. Air dry them and store them in paper envelopes for next year. Label them with the date and plant name so you remember what you planted. So there you have it, 15 brilliant gardening hacks that will totally level up your garden game. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more gardening tips every week. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a video. And if you want even more amazing gardening hacks, check out my other videos. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next one.